Hello and welcome. This video is a brief tutorial on how to install Ansys on Windows. To start, head to a search engine and type in the word Ansys. Alternatively, you can type www.ansys.com in the browser of your choice. Let's begin. Going to click on the first link. At the top, click Academic. Next, click Free Student Software. Scroll down. Below, you have several options. The option we will select is the Ansys Student. Click here. Scroll down. Make sure that your system is able to handle the software. Click Download Ansys Student 2020. Read the terms of use. Agree and download. Once your file has downloaded, navigate to the file location. Once there, select the file. Select Extract. Extract all. Select a destination to where you want the extracted files to go. And then press Extract. Excellent. Once all of the files have been extracted, open the new folder that was created as a result of the extraction. In this new folder, scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on the setup.exe. You might get a message saying that this app is not a Microsoft verified app. Go ahead and install anyway. Read the licensing agreement carefully. Select I agree. Next, select a location for where your files will reside and make sure that you have the right amount of disk space required. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Ansys, a 3D modeler and simulation software. Press Exit. Start menu. Select Ansys, and there it is. Thanks for watching.